Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Is this the thinnest, lightest foldable phone ever made without compromising flagship power? Today, we're unboxing the all-new Honor Magic V5, a foldable that redefines slim design, premium craftsmanship, and all-day battery life. From luxury quilted cases to gold-themed icons, an invisible kickstand camera, and a 6100 mAh battery in a body thinner than some flat-screen flagships, this one's full of surprises. But how does it actually feel in hand? How sturdy is that hinge? And can it really replace your tablet? Stick around because we're diving deep into first impressions, hidden design details, and hands-on performance. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's quickly unbox the Honor Magic V5. The packaging comes with a one-time seal, and the box itself has a premium texture, instantly giving off flagship vibes. Right away, the device is incredibly light. We'll confirm that on the scale in a moment. Inside, there's a 60-watt fast charger with a Type-A output, and the USB data cable is impressively slim. Time to peel off the protective wrap. You can already see how the indoor lighting reflects off the surface. This looks like the familiar first layer reflective film, soft white light. Now take a look at the side profile. Wow, it might just be the thinnest foldable we've seen yet. When unfolded, it measures approximately 4.3 millimeters in thickness. You can really feel how sleek it is. Turning to the back design, it's unique for a flagship. It features an octagonal layout with dual concentric textures, creating a forged metal-like aesthetic. While the material isn't actually metal, it has a visually metallic finish that looks great and resists fingerprints well. Let's do a quick thickness comparison, and you'll notice the Honor Magic V5 stands out in its ultra-slim profile. Honestly, the engineering here is nothing short of impressive. This design alone is worth zooming in for a closer look. Now let's dive into the camera details. The outer lens ring has an inner octagonal shape. In the center, there's a combination of an outer square and an inner circle housing triple lenses. There's also a periscope module, standard for flagship imaging. Each lens cutout is large, and there's a dual-color temperature fill light. The camera bump is slightly raised compared to the body, indicating serious imaging capabilities. And remember, this is just the unboxing and first impression. Stay tuned, as I'll be uploading a full in-depth review video tomorrow. Additional design highlights. At the top, you'll notice a sleek gold metal bezel, along with precisely cut speaker grills. Mirroring that, the bottom also features symmetrical speaker cutouts. More importantly, you'll find the Type-C charging port and the SIM card tray below. The device is impressively slim, so much so that the Type-C port extends subtly toward the back edge due to the limited thickness. The main display uses a flexible soft screen. Pressing it slightly will cause a gentle deformation, which is expected for this kind of panel. Now let's fold it up. Take note, the antennas are perfectly symmetrical, both inside and out, as well as along the sides and bottom. It's a design that truly satisfies anyone with a love for symmetry. The side houses an ultra-slim fingerprint scanner and volume keys seamlessly into a diamond-textured edge. This diamond-cut detailing adds a luxury jewelry-like feel to the overall design. From certain angles, it looks nearly identical to a standard flat-screen flagship phone with a premium camera module. But fold it, and the magic reveals itself. It's clearly a device made of two expertly crafted halves. Again, the ultra-slim side-mounted fingerprint sensor and volume rockers are neatly aligned. From the front, the outer display comes with its own screen protector pre-applied. Pay attention to the curved design. All four edges have micro-curved transitions, with 3 of them being perfectly equal, a subtle yet premium touch. As for the weight, the Honor Magic V5 comes in at just 226 grams, which is lighter than its predecessor's 237 grams. It's even lighter than many traditional flagship phones with flat displays. Impressive. Now let's take a look at the matching protective cases in the same color. This design is quite clever. Both the inner and outer surfaces are finished with a leather-like texture. Inside, the quilted pattern exudes luxury, while the gold accents around the edges add a premium touch. It's a design that feels gender-neutral, elegant, yet bold enough for both men and women. Now here's something interesting. The camera module lifts slightly to transform into a stand. It's a subtle yet thoughtful detail. Whether you're using it casually or propping it up for movie sessions, The stand holds up well. The hinge damping is perfectly tuned, and the positioning feels intentional and reliable. Let's power on the screen and dive into the interface. You'll notice the fully customized gold-themed icons beautifully unified across the inner and outer displays. The light background enhances the clean, immersive look. Just take in that impressive screen-to-body ratio. There's a camera cutout on the right, but it cleverly doubles as a shortcut to the global taskbar. It's starting to feel more like a tablet now, with convenient drag-and-drop split-screen multitasking. The positioning is highly customizable, offering precise control. All three displays allow smooth switching between tasks with just a few taps. Let's be honest, it's time foldables became thinner, and the Magic V5 delivers. That said, many still worry about long-term durability, so let's test the hinge. It holds steady at every angle, even the sharper ones, proving that the internal gears are solid and well-built. What's even more remarkable is that the Honor Magic V5 maintains flagship-level performance, all while becoming thinner, lighter, and still managing to pack in a massive 6100 milliamp hour battery. This is just our initial hands-on and first impressions. I'll be uploading a full in-depth review soon, so stay connected and don't forget to subscribe for the deep dive. And that wraps up our unboxing and first impressions of the Honor Magic V5, an ultra-thin foldable packed with flagship features and premium design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews and follow us on X for the latest gadget deals and tech updates. Also, I just uploaded the Xiaomi Mi Mix Flip 2 in-depth review, set to launch in the UK by mid-July. If you haven't watched it yet, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.